Let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues with hotspot on iPhone 17e. So first we're gonna go to settings, and the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that whenever you try to use the personal hotspot, you are actually using your cellular data or mobile data to share the access to the internet. If you think that you can share the access with the Wi-Fi, then unfortunately that is not the case. If I turn off the cellular data, then of course the personal hotspot, as you can see now, is completely deactivated and I cannot access it at all. So make sure that your cellular or mobile data is running correctly. Of course, this involves checking if the correct SIM is selected in case you have more than one SIM on your iPhone 17e. Also, here we have the cellular data switching option, which allows the iPhone to switch between SIMs in case the main SIM has poor connection or something like that. So in this specific case, you might want to make sure that this option is disabled. Also, another thing that is worth mentioning is, of course, make sure that this option, allow others to join, is actually enabled. You want to make sure that it is on. Here below we can find instructions on how other devices can connect to our personal hotspot, so we can follow these instructions in case you have trouble with doing so. Also here we can find the Wi-Fi password, which you might want to change to something simpler in case this one is too complicated and you cannot enter it correctly. Also make sure to use the check in the upper right corner in order to save the password if it's changed. And I think one of the most important options is this one, maximize compatibility. Keep in mind that some older devices might not be able to detect your personal hotspot, so in this case it is recommended to enable this maximize compatibility option, and after that check if the hotspot is now detectable on that other device or not. And since we are using the cellular data or mobile data, one thing that I can also recommend you to do is go to General. Then over here we're gonna proceed to transfer or reset iPhone, and then over here go to reset. And here you should be able to find reset network settings option. This of course resets all network settings, not only the cellular data but also Wi-Fi, for example. So you might want to check after resetting if you are still connected to Wi-Fi. Most likely you will have to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks. Also, this might involve the reset of Bluetooth devices as well, so be sure to check that too. But of course, the most important part is the cellular data itself, so you might want to double check if everything is set up correctly. And that is pretty much it. That's all we can do to try to solve issues with the hotspot on iPhone 17e. Leave a like and subscribe.